Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're gonna share with you the best smoothies that makes you super fresh. So let's get started. Number 1 is Pina Colada Smoothie. Bringing you pina coladas and getting caught in the rain straight from the comfort of your home. With this cup, you will blend 1 frozen banana, 1/2 cup coconut water, 1/2 cup frozen pineapple, and 1/2 tin coconut milk. Number 2 is Cake Shake Smoothie. All you need is 1 banana, 1 tablespoon cashew butter, add some sprinkles, 1 cup almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla, and vanilla protein. Blend all the ingredients and top with as many sprinkles as your heart desires. Number 3 is Orange Glow Smoothie. All you have to do is blend 1 banana, 1 cup fresh orange juice, 1/2 cup frozen mango, and 1 chopped carrot. Before to continue, if you enjoy the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to help the channel. The number 4 is Pink Punch Smoothie. This smoothie is my whole mood recently, major tropical and pink vibes with lots of delicious frozen fruit. All you need is 1 banana, 1 cup coconut milk, 1/2 cup frozen mango, 1/2 cup frozen raspberries, and 1/2 cup frozen pineapple. Number 5 is Green Goddess Smoothie. Sometimes you just want a bit of glow, and this is one of my favorite smoothies for a happy gut. So all you need is 1 banana, 1 cup almond milk, 1/2 cup frozen mango, and handful of spinach. Number 6 is Cookie Dough Shake. You will need 1/2 frozen banana, 1/4 cup oats, 2 cups almond milk, 1/2 teaspoon cinnamon, 2 medjool dates, and 1/4 cookie. This recipe is one of my faves. I love dates. They make everything taste so good and sweet. Just blend all the ingredients and top with some cookie crumble. And number 7 is Tropical Almond Shake. All you need is 1 banana, 1/2 cup frozen pineapple, 1/2 cup frozen mango, 2 cups coconut milk, and 1 tablespoon almond butter. This smoothie of the combos I've been gravitating toward at the moment. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.